Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the PayPal not letting you transfer money. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically this problem would occur because of some PayPal account limitations. And to solve these limitations, you would be needing to go to the resolution center. So basically here we are just on the PayPal support article, and from here we will be able to learn more about this problem. And as you can see here, there's problem would or maybe just a limitation on your PayPal account that would prevent you to use this feature, which is transferring money or sending money. So basically, to remove this limitation, as we said at the beginning of the video, we would be needing to go to the Resolution Center. And to go to the Resolution Center, you can simply go to your help, and from there we can remove these limitations. So from our account or from your account, you will be needing just to go to the help menu or to the help page. So here I'm just going to click on the help page. And from there, we will be needing just to go down. And from here, you will find the resolution center. So you will need just to click on the resolution center and make sure that you are logged in. And from there, it will take you to the resolution center, and then you will find all your open cases. And basically, the limitation on your account would be appearing here as a case, and then you will need just to start resolving this case. And basically, you will need just to follow up any instructions that are prompt within the case. So if you need to upload some documents, you will need just to upload them. And if any uh, instructions were added there, you need just to do them. Otherwise, if you had any other question, you can simply go to the help and go to the support center, and you can contact them so they can explain you or giving you more assistance. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.